Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Accessibility Features and tap on one-handed mode. Then click on the switcher to activate it. After that, you need to follow all of those instructions. I have tricky navigations. I have to slide my finger across the navigation bar over here. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, click on the blank area over here. If you wish to switch off one-handed mode completely, tap on the switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!